To set up Venmo, start by downloading the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Sign Up. You will be asked to provide your phone number, email address, or Facebook account to create an account. Choose the method you prefer and follow the prompts to verify your information. If you choose to sign up with your phone number, Venmo will send a verification code to your phone, which you will need to enter into the app. If you sign up with Facebook, Venmo will use your Facebook information to create your account. After verifying your information, you will be asked to create a username and password. Your username will be your unique identifier on Venmo, so choose something that is easy to remember and recognizable to your friends. Your password should be strong and secure, and you should not share it with anyone. Next, you will be asked to add a funding source to your account. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. To add a bank account, you will need to provide your account and routing numbers. To add a credit or debit card, you will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have added a funding source, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money. To send money, simply enter the username of the person you want to send money to, the amount you want to send, and a note describing the payment. You can also add friends and join groups to make it easier to find people to pay. To receive money, you will need to provide your Venmo username to the person sending you money. You can also use the Venmo QR code to receive payments, which can be found in the app under the Settings menu. It is also important to note that Venmo offers a number of security features to protect your account, including two-factor authentication and encryption. You can also set up a PIN or fingerprint lock to add an extra layer of security to your account. Overall, setting up Venmo is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking advantage of Venmo's security features, you can start using the app to send and receive money with confidence.